So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe the channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have two big job opportunity for the data analyst. So Adidas, one of the leading company, is hiring data analyst and location is going to be Gurugram. So I think there is no one who haven't heard about the Adidas company. So I will not waste your time mentioning about the company. So we will directly jump into the job description. So here as a data analyst, you have to build the pipelines to support the data science project following data engineering best practices. Here you have to perform data exploration, quality checks, implementation and exception handling process. Here you have to identify, design and implement internal operation improvements, automating manual process and optimizing data delivery. Here you have to work with the data scientist and analytics team to create data pipelines and machine learning models. Here you have to drive collaborative reviews of design, code, test plans, dataset implementation, which is performed by other data engineers in support of maintaining data engineering standards. You have to ensure information security standards are maintained in all time. Here you have to act as an ambassador for the data product, showcasing the key functionality, driving adoption and assuring operational excellence. Now coming to the experience and the minimum qualification. So if you have done your bachelor's degree in any relevant field, you can apply here. And if you have 3.5 year of experience in developing scalable data pipelines and big data applications or the supply chain management, so you will get more preference. Or if you have experience in continuous integration and automated testing tools such as Jenkins and GitDocker, or you have experience in working with the Spark, Python and PyTest, you are eligible for this role. One must be comfortable in presenting complex topic, must have good written and oral communication skills, high resilience and solution oriented attitude. So I have mentioned the link in the description, you can check. Now coming to our next job notification. So Capgemini is hiring data analyst and location is going to be Chennai. So all of you may be aware of the Capgemini company. Those who don't know about this company, so it is basically a US based MNC company serving in the 50 plus countries and having global revenue around $16 billion. In India, it has offices in several locations like Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gurgaon, Noida, etc. So it is very best company to work at. Now coming to the job description, so one should have minimum year of experience from 5 to 7 years, and along with that they are demanding for the OFSA project with minimum of 1 year of experience. So if you have working knowledge in FCCM suite of product specializing on enterprise case management and upgrading from the older version to 8.0x version, or if you have hands-on experience in ECM and AML installation, or if you have working experience on the migrating ECM case from FCCM, you must have working knowledge in data movement from FCCM BD to ECM. You must be familiar in ECM security, attributes and configuration. Now coming to the job description. So this role combines leadership, technical expertise and project management skills to ensure the successful delivery of the data analysis project and the development of the high performing data analyst team. This is the critical role in leveraging data to drive business growth and optimize process. Now coming to the education qualification. So if you have done your graduation or post graduation, you will be eligible. So if you have required experience and expertise, I have mentioned the link in the description along with the company's website, so you can visit and check that out. So that is all in today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like, click on the like button, mention your feedback in the comments and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.